video, I'm going to be showing you 3 SQL injection payload that you can use to actually bypass login system, right? So here I have the first payload here, and second, I also have the second payload right here, right? And I also have the third payload right here. So basically, all of these 3 payloads can actually break into any kind of web application, right? So basically, what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to say, okay, as a real attacker, you need to, if one payload does not actually work, you can try the second payload on that site. So right now, you can see I created a database called users, and basically I built a very simple Node.js application. This same payload can actually work on any kind of application server. So right here, you can see I have a Node.js application right here. I have a controller right here also. Okay, basically right now I'm trying to say select star from users from where email equals to input and password equals to input. So basically my goal here is to break, is to break the inputs, right? And always make the condition true and remove the password word check. So basically, if I should run any of this payload, I should be able to bypass the login word system. So if I go straight to Bruno, by the way, you can actually use Bruno. Bruno is just like Postman, but Bruno is far more easy to use and all like that. So let me just give this a trial right here. So right now, if you see that, if I should come here, let me take this out. Let me use this one first of all. So I've taken that one now. Let me try and do this again. All right. So let's wait for some time. So basically, you can see right now, I have successfully done what? Login. So not just login, I also got some informations, right? So basically, you can see that I'm showing or I'm getting informations like the age, I'm getting informations like the streets, I'm getting informations like the address, I'm getting informations like the what? Like the PIN code, right? So let's also try another payload again. So I've tried that one. Let's come and try this payload again. Let's try that payload again. If I come here now, I come and paste the payload right here. If I click here again, okay, you can see it also worked. It's giving me some proper information. And let's try the third payload right now. Let's try this third payload here. Come here, take that one out, bring this one in. All right, so this should also work also. All right, so you can basically see that it's giving us the information. So if you love this kind of video, try and subscribe and give a like. And also I'll be dropping another video where showing you SQL injection that can actually bring out all of users information, all like that. So basically the reason why this thing is breaking is basically because of the developer, I did not properly do password checking. First of all, what I did here is wrong. You don't do something like this. This is wrong, but this is right. If I do this, that SQL is not going to work. And also, you also need to do what? Do your bcrypt compare password, right? So you can basically see that you must use your password hash. Always use your password hash. If you don't do so, the attacker can actually bypass that login. But for most junior developers, they usually forget to do this, and they don't really do this properly at all. And they usually forget to also do this too. This right here is safe because it's a placeholder, but this right here is very, 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 very dangerous, right? So in the second video I'm going to be making a video where you can actually just get all the information from database by even bypassing more of login, even though it's very, very well secure. And if you like this kind of video, please leave a subscribe and give a like. Thank you.